So we're going to make a
chocolate chip cookie.
Chocolate chip cookie from scratch. Okay, so first is the butter, the melted butter, because it's already. Okay, now you're going to put the brown sugar. So for the brown sugar, you need 1/3 of a cup. Okay. Now for the egg, it's going to be 1 yolk. So just the yellow stuff. Crack the egg. And you see all the yellow stuff that's coming out? Sorry, all the white stuff that's coming out?
Yeah.
So you don't need to do the yellow. That's how you separate it. And just pour that one in. It's one yolk, egg yolk. Let's go wash your hands. Okay, so now after the yolk, you need a tablespoon of banana.
2 teaspoons.
We are done. Okay, now you whisk. Okay. Whisk it. Half a cup of flour.
I want to put the flour. I've baked pizza from scratch 3 times already. I make everything from scratch.
Done? Okay. Hold on. Let me move this. There you go. Okay. And now you need baking powder. You need
Baking soda.
a teaspoon, half of that.
Man, I'm not working with a spoon. Spoons are useless. This is half a teaspoon. Okay, we need baking soda. Let's open the baking soda. Put this aside. Seems good enough. Half a teaspoon, and now we mix.
1/4 teaspoon of salt.
And then 115 grams of chocolate.
Okay. Now mix.
I'm gonna put my hands in here, okay?
Are they clean?
Yeah, they're clean. As soon as I get the baking mix out. First rule of being a chef, you always have to have clean hands. Or whenever you bake, you need to have clean hands. Not a purpose, but like you need to have like a purpose for this, and then you gotta like really connect with it to be able to bake a really good anything you're technically baking. I feel like I'm doing bake again. I'm doing cake again. Not cake, pizza. Hi, camera.
Do they have a couple chocolate chips?
It's at 115 grams of chocolate chips. Knead and then pull. Knead and then pull. Knead.
115 grams.
Look, my fingers aren't as dirty as I thought. Yeah, thought this was like really sticky. I made a lot of stuff before. Not cookies though. I've made lasagna, cake, pizza from scratch 3 times. I made, what is it, like noodles or something? I forgot what it's called.
Ramen.
Yeah, ramen. No, I cooked ramen. I heated it up. It doesn't count as cooking it. No, we need a cutting board at first.
No, you need ice cream.
No, we...
No, because the chocolate chips are already small.
No, to make like the actual dough.
That's your dough, honey. That's your dough.
I don't know what I'm talking about. A true baker would know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Cooking sheet?
Yeah.
Okay. It flew. It flew. You need to do 1.5 of these.
What, cups or teaspoons?
It's 3/4 of a cup. But I only have a half a cup right here.
That's... We just need 1/4.
It's 3/4 and there's only half a cup.
So that's 2 cups.
So fill up the whole thing. It's 2/4. Right.
Right.
And then
Hey, stop being evil Ursula, okay?
no. Okay, this is
A true baker would not use these. What do we put in here? Oh,
no, we should do half of this one. Lots of chocolate.
surely good enough? That's a lot of chocolate chips.
It is a chocolate chip cookie.
Here, help me.
You can put your hand in there.
Put my hand in there?
That won't fill.
Yeah, a real baker would not use the stuff fell on the table. But she's a beginner. Can I please edit your video?
If you're done, let me know.
No one saw that. Get these to stick. Okay, ready. Can you help me?
Oh, of course.
You touched that.
Okay, ready?
Don't drop it. I work so hard. Okay, stop recording.